What's up everyone, it's Mark, and in this video, we're diving deep into how to make serious money with Google AdSense in 2025. We're talking about $3,000 per week or more, all from those little ads you see on websites and YouTube videos. This is not luck, not crypto, not dropshipping, just smart content strategy and traffic. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, stick around because things are about to get interesting. Okay, so before we dive into the good stuff, let's break down exactly what Google AdSense is and how it works, especially in 2025. In a nutshell, AdSense is Google's advertising program that pays you to show ads on your content. That's right, you get paid just for having ads on your website, blog, or even your YouTube videos. Now you might be thinking, Google AdSense, isn't that like so old school? And yeah, it's been around for a while, but trust me, it's still incredibly relevant and profitable in 2025. In fact, it's even better now than it was before. See, Google's always updating its algorithms and technology, and AdSense is no exception. They've added smarter AI-targeted ads, which means the ads shown on your content are more relevant to your audience, leading to higher click-through rates and more money in your pocket. And speaking of money, the RPMs, or rates per 1,000 views, have also gotten a nice little boost in many niches. But here's the thing, the key to making serious bank with AdSense in 2025 boils down to two main factors, traffic and niche. You need a steady stream of targeted traffic coming to your content, and that content needs to be in a profitable niche. The right niche with high-paying keywords, combined with a ton of traffic, equals a recipe for AdSense success. Alright, let's talk about niches, because this is where things start to get interesting. Not all niches are created equal, my friends. Some niches are just naturally more profitable than others, and when it comes to AdSense, it all boils down to something called CPM. CPM stands for cost per mil, or in simpler terms, how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 views on your content. Now here's the thing, certain niches attract advertisers who are willing to spend big bucks, while others, not so much. So if you want to maximize your AdSense earnings, you need to go where the money is, and that means choosing a high CPM niche. Think about it. If you're in a niche where advertisers are only paying a few dollars per 1,000 views, you're going to need a massive amount of traffic to make any significant income. But if you're in a niche where advertisers are shelling out $20, $30, or even $40 per 1,000 views, well, you can start seeing those AdSense checks roll in with a much smaller audience. Some of the most lucrative AdSense niches in 2025 include personal finance, investing, insurance, health and wellness, technology, software, and online business. Okay, we've covered the importance of choosing a high CPM niche, but now comes the fun part, building your traffic source. Because let's be real, without traffic, your awesome content is just going to be sitting there collecting digital dust. So, how do you actually get people to visit your website, blog, or YouTube channel? Well, the good news is, you've got options. And I'm going to break down 3 of the most effective traffic sources that have worked wonders for me and countless other online entrepreneurs. The first option is blogging. Blogging has been around for a while, but it's still one of the most powerful ways to drive organic traffic to your content. By optimizing your blog posts for relevant keywords and building backlinks, you can rank high in search results and attract a steady stream of targeted traffic. And the best part? Once you hit that publish button, your blog posts can continue to generate traffic for months, even years to come. Now, if you're more of a visual person and love the power of video, then YouTube is your best friend. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and it's only getting bigger. By creating engaging, informative, and entertaining videos in your chosen niche, you can tap into a massive audience of potential viewers. The third option is a bit of a hybrid approach, and that's building a niche website. A niche website is essentially a website that focuses on a specific topic or niche. By optimizing your website for search engines and promoting your content on social media, you can attract a steady stream of targeted traffic. You can combine all 3 of these traffic sources to create a powerful online presence. Alright, you've got your high CPM niche, you're building your traffic source, but now it's time to crank things up a notch and maximize those AdSense earnings. Because let's be honest, we're not just here to make a few extra bucks, we're here to build a sustainable online income stream that can change our lives. So how do we go from a few cents per day to those sweet $3,000 weeks? Well, it all comes down to smart strategy, my friends. First things first, ad placement. Where you place those ads on your content can make a world of difference. You want to find the sweet spot where they're visible and enticing to viewers without being too intrusive or annoying. Experiment with different ad formats, sizes, and placements to see what works best for your audience and content. Next up, let's talk about auto ads versus manual placements. Google AdSense offers a feature called auto ads, where their algorithm automatically places ads on your content for you. And while this can be a great time saver, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment with manual ad placements as well. Sometimes, a little bit of manual optimization can go a long way in boosting your earnings. Now here's a pro tip: don't put all your eggs in one basket. While AdSense is fantastic, it's always a good idea to diversify your income streams. Consider incorporating affiliate marketing into your content. This involves promoting products or services related to your niche and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Now, before we wrap things up, let's talk about realistic expectations and timelines. Because I know you're eager to start seeing those AdSense checks roll in, but it's important to understand that building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building a real, sustainable income stream that can provide you with freedom and flexibility for years to come. So, how long does it actually take to start making $3,000 a week with Google AdSense? Well, the truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on a variety of factors, including your niche, your content strategy, your traffic-building efforts, and a little bit of luck. However, I can tell you that it's definitely achievable within a reasonable time frame. In my experience, it typically takes around 3 to 6 months of consistent effort to start seeing significant results with AdSense. During this initial phase, it's all about building a solid foundation for your online business. Focus on creating high-quality content, optimizing it for search engines, and promoting it to your target audience. Now, once you start generating a decent amount of traffic, that's when things start to get really exciting. As your traffic grows, so do your AdSense earnings. And the beauty of it is, your content works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Here are a few final tips to help you stay motivated and on track. First, set realistic goals. Don't expect to go from $0 to $3,000 a week overnight. Start with smaller, achievable goals and gradually increase them as you progress. Second, stay consistent. The key to success with AdSense is consistency. Make it a habit to create and publish high-quality content on a regular basis. So there you have it, guys. That's how you can earn $3,000 or more per week with Google AdSense in 2025. Drop a money bag emoji in the comments if you're starting today. And don't forget to like, sub, and hit the bell for more real money-making tips in 2025.